If you are looking for a side dish that's both delicious and easy to make, you're in the right place. Today I'm excited to share with you my favorite pumpkin rice recipe that's perfect for any meal. It can be eaten as a side dish or on its own. It requires only a few ingredients. In a pot on medium heat, we will spray 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now let's saute some garlic, onions, pimento pepper, fresh thyme, and these are our aromatics. In goes 3 cups of small diced pumpkin, 1/4 cup of red bell peppers diced. Give the aromatics a light saute to bring out the flavors. 2½ cups of parboiled rice, fresh parsley, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1½ teaspoon of rice seasoning, 1½ teaspoon of vegetable Maggie. We will mix again to create a beautiful harmony of flavors before we add in our coconut milk. All-purpose seasoning, a little sazon, and of course salt to taste. Cover the rice with the coconut milk. If the rice is rinsed properly beforehand, the coconut milk will coat each individual grains and you get beautiful textures of rice. It should not give you clumpy rice. And let it cook for 27 to 30 minutes on high heat. After 30 minutes, turn off the stove and let the rice sit undisturbed for about 10 minutes. The reveal will be nice shelly grains of rice that is perfectly cooked, not mushy, but perfect texture. Thank you for watching today's episode. Make sure you subscribe, share the video, help me to grow my YouTube channel by telling a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend, and see you in another one of my recipes.